Pillars of Iman. Belief in Allah. Allah is our creator.
Belief in angels. Angels are created from light.
Belief in book. They are for book.
Belief in prophet. 124 prophet.
Belief in day of judgment, the day after death.
Belief in Qadr and Qala, higher and shar from Allah. Shahada.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
5 times prayer.
Luhar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, Subh.
Zakat. Help to needy.
Fasting. Do fasting in Ramadan.
Hajj. Perform Hajj in Dhul Hijjah.